Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install Routine on your PC. So to start, go to routine.co. Now, once you're here, at the bottom, here you have Mac OS, Windows, Linux, iOS, Android, or web. So we're going to download it to our PC. So I'm going to click on Windows, hover over Windows and click on download. So just click it once, and as you can see, it's now installing to my PC. So it will take a few minutes and wait for it. Now, once done, tap on Open File or click the folder icon. Double tap on Routine. So it will run to your computer. Just follow the next prompts. Now, once done, it will open a new window. Now, here, tap on Let's Go. Tap on Continue. And here you need to sign in so you can enter your email or sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to click on that, choose my Gmail account, tap on continue, and click on open. So put in your full name, click on continue. So, how do you plan to use Routine for yourself or with your team? So, I'm going to click with my team, click on continue. So, organization name, put it in here. How many people are there in your company? Which industry best describes it? And click on continue. So, here you can invite your colleagues or do it later. Tap on continue. So, how did you hear about Routine? Pick one and then click on launch. And as you can see, it's now launching. And that's basically it. That's how you can install Routine on your PC or laptop. And you can now use Routine as a normal app. And that's it. Thanks for watching.